Hey there, Shopify store owners. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through exporting products from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. Whether moving products in bulk, updating inventory, or keeping backups, this video will show you how to do it quickly and efficiently. By default, Shopify has built-in export options for your products. But why use StoreRobo for exporting products? While Shopify does provide an export option, it exports a lot of unnecessary data. If you have a large store, it can take a long time to export everything and even more time to sort through and find just what you need. That's where StoreRobo makes things easier. With StoreRobo, you're in control. You can pick specific products, choose the exact columns you need, and even filter by tags, product handles, and more. This way, you get only the data you need in a clean, organized file, saving you time and effort. Now, let's see how to export products using StoreRobo. First, open the StoreRobo app in your Shopify store and navigate to the Export section. Choose an export template. You can choose between Shopify CSV and Google Shopping Feed. For now, we'll select Shopify CSV and click Proceed. Next, under Select Data, choose Products as the type of data you want to export. Expand this section to filter and sort your products. You can also customize which columns to include in the export. Basic columns will be exported by default, but you can add or remove columns as needed. In the Filter section, you can refine the export by applying conditions. For example, you can filter products created after a specific date, like August 1, 2024. If you need to export your file to an FTP server, you can enable the FTP option and create a profile by entering your server details. You can also choose a separator or delimiter to structure the data in your CSV file. The default one is a comma. Finally, you can save your entire configuration as a preset, so you can skip the setup process next time you do the same export. Once everything is set, click Export. When the status changes to completed, you can download the file or save it to the specified FTP location. And that's it. Now you know how to export products from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.